Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Before you can use the feature, you'll need to make sure that your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone and that both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. You must make sure wrist detection is turned on, which you can find under Passcode in your Apple Watch settings, and that it has a passcode.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your Apple Watch isn't pairing with your iPhone, there are a number of ways you can fix the connection. First, make sure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled and are in range of each other. Then, try restarting your Apple Watch and iPhone, as well as resetting your iPhone's network settings.
Take our lead.
Press and hold the side button until you see Power Off. Press and hold the digital crown until you see Erase All Content and Settings. Tap Reset, then tap Reset again to confirm. Wait for the process to finish, then set up your Apple Watch again.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you forgot your Apple Watch passcode and do not have a paired iPhone, place your Apple Watch on its charger. Hold the side button until the Power Off screen appears. Press the Power Off slider firmly. Do not slide it. Select Erase All Content and Settings. Your Apple Watch will reset to factory settings.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.